Jang'wech mar mita 1,500 Faith Kipyegon oyango ni entiere kod chenro mano mar dhi mbele kod wechego mag tukeyo makare. Chenro mar gero osiptal bende entiere godo momi nying mar Dare Dream Maternity Ward ochakore kendo chak ger bang' kane osetim nyasi mar chako gere ayanga kama Faith noyange ni chenro no miya mor ok mana kaka jang'wech kende to kaka ng'at mamiyo kata mamiyo bende. Faith wacho ni mine mapek osebedo kadhi kuonde maboyo manyo konyruok ka moko kuomgi chopo ka saa oseleo kendo moko bende konyore ma onge gi konyruok mowinjore, omiyo gero osiptal no dhi kelo ber mathoth ne joma mine makono.
Done to my community, which I feel so proud of, because of something you have been dreaming of and thinking of, like, what can I give to my community? One death is too many, and for me, one death is like, losing a champion or a president or, a better person in the community.
I think today is a great day for actually the community of Keringet, where Faith was born. That they have realized that impact actually in a society is not being won by breaking the records or actually winning the medals or winning the races, but the real impact actually is creating an impact which is going direct to the community. That's by impacting the community. And actually Faith, thinking of maternity as a mother, is a great and a critical issue, because in this place actually no maternity, women are keeping birth, and it's still deaths of women and kids when they are undergoing the process.